Shri Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
So, this initiation means the third stage of Krishna consciousness. So those who are being initiated, they should remember that they have to follow the rules and regulations. Just like if a man wants to be cured from a certain type of disease, he has to follow the regulation given by the physician, and that will help him to recover from the illness very quickly. So these four principles are restriction, they should follow and chant at least 16 rounds daily, and gradually he'll get fixed up in this conviction and will have attachment and taste, and then love of Krishna will automatically. It is there in everyone's heart. Love of Krishna, it is not a foreign thing that we are imposing. No. It is there everywhere, in every living entity. Otherwise, how these American boys and girls are taking it? If it is not there. It is there. I am simply helping. Just like matches, there is fire. One can help only simply rubbing, that's all. There is fire. You cannot get fire rubbing two, sticks if there is no that chemical on the top. So, Krishna consciousness is there in everyone's heart. Simply one has to revive by this association, this Krishna consciousness association. So it is neither difficult nor impractical, not very unpalatable. Everything is nice. So our request to everyone that let them take this magnificent gift of Lord Chaitanya, Krishna consciousness movement, Hare Krishna, chanting, and you will be happy. That is our hope. Thank you very much.
Hare Krishna